Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. So when we look at the HBAR chart here on the daily time frame, then you can see that the price is now stretching further towards the next upside targets. We've reached the 39-cent level, which is the next resistance. You can see how perfectly the price is actually respecting this fib level. I mean, really spot on. Reached exactly that 161.8 extension. That is one of the common targets for such a third wave. In yesterday's video, we, however, defined some targets on the micro level that we want to talk about in this video. I shared them with you, yesterday on the 1 hour time frame. So we're going to switch to the 1 hour time frame in a minute. But first of all, rest assured, the overall outlook remains unchanged. The idea is that this year is a third wave, which could still extend higher. It is just important to understand that we are likely dealing with some kind of a diagonal pattern here, even though the third wave looks impulsive. It looks impulsive, and you know that there are ways to probably count it as an impulse, but it also looks so ABC-like, really. To the untrained eye, it looks impulsive, but you have a very clear A, B, and then the C wave the same length as the A wave, roughly. I think we haven't reached the same length yet, which is why we need to take a look at the 1 hour time frame. So we could then get a fourth wave, and the fifth wave. And the fifth wave to the upside should reach 93 cents as a first target. And then we have the next main fib level at 226. I'm not quite sure if we get there, but it depends on where the third wave finds a top. And then we can calculate a target for wave 4, and then based on that, a more precise target for wave 5. But overall, I'm not going to give you a maximum. There are key milestone targets and ranges where risk will be high. And then we can just monitor support on the smaller time frame to understand when it breaks. So the next upside level to watch here on the daily time frame is at 49.3 cents. And now I would say we take a look at the smaller time frame, because the smaller time frame tells us when things start to break. And they also tell us the next upside target level. So overall, the forecast from yesterday is still unchanged. As you can see here, I think yesterday the price was a little lower, but I gave you support. Support is holding. This is micro support. Against this, the focus can be on higher prices directly, but I will have to shift it higher a little bit. And we've now reached this support area already. This would be an internal wave 4. And we could still get one more high, at least, I would say. And funny enough, the 100% extension, which I mentioned as first target yesterday, because that's the first level of the micro targets here for the C wave up, that's located at 47 cents. So that was already clear yesterday. I mean, we talked about exactly these levels. All I've done now is to adjust micro support. See, it could even be that this is another one to set up and we just get another higher low and another higher high. But that is impossible to say, because on these smaller time frames you get lots of distortions. Certainly I'd like to see at least one more high to reach 47.2 cents, possibly even 64, which by the way is not only the next level on the micro scale, but if we go back to the longer time frame, it's also here 66. This is sort of the next level on the larger scale as well. So we have overlap of different Fibonacci levels around 49 cents and 64 to 66. And that could therefore mean that there is going to be some resistance. But overall, it takes a break below 23 cents to indicate that a top of sorts has formed. For now, I see this here, the 23-cent level, as key support for this direct move up. Any break below it, well, would it be bearish? Well, it would at least tell us that probably the fourth wave has started. I'm talking about this fourth wave, that this would have started. But I would actually prefer it to go a little higher, just to reach at least the 100% extension before a fourth wave starts. Can go higher, of course, even 78 cents or even $1.07 would be reasonable in a C wave in wave 3. That's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.